In today's video, I want to show you guys how you can fix the problem that your Opera GX browser isn't starting or won't launch. Okay, for the first, what you can do is go into the search bar here and here we look for the task manager. And in the task manager, we look for all processes here from the Opera GX browser. And if you find some here, then right click on it and then end the task. So what you can also do is go here into the search bar and here we look for Opera GX. So, and yeah, if we don't find something, this is good. And we can also look here if we find something here on our own. And yeah, this is really important because sometimes some processes from the browser can run in the background, and these processes can block the start of the browser, or they can also block the download of little new data packages or something. So make sure that you fully close the launcher. And yeah, for the next step, go into the search bar again, and here we look for the Opera GX browser. Okay, and then for the next step, right click on it, and then open file location. Right click on it again, go on show more options, go on properties, and now here we go on security. Click on edit, select the account you are logged in with, and here make sure that you have here always allowed the full control. So this is really important. And then go on compatibility, and here we can run this program in compatibility mode, disable the full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. So this is really important. Click on apply here, click on OK, reset your PC, and after that your problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.